Welcome to the speaking test of the IELTS exam. My name is ABDAL and I will be your examiner today. The examiner number is 33035 and the candidate number is 99007. The speaking test has 3 parts. Don't worry, I will give you instructions for each part of the test. Now we shall begin. What is your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Nurul Amin Numan. You may address me as Numan.
Okay, Numan sir. Do you work or study?
I'm a student. In the last year, I have completed my higher secondary examination from Madrasa board. Right now, I'm planning to go in overseas country for my higher education.
Okay. Let's talk about internet. Do you use internet very much?
Yeah, obviously, I use the internet a lot. Especially whenever I face a kind of problem for my study purpose, then I use internet too much.
Okay. Is internet important in your life?
Yeah, obviously internet is very crucial for my life, not my life but also everyone. So it is very helpful for my study purpose and others.
Okay. Do you think you can live without internet?
No, it is difficult to me imagine a life without internet. It's whenever if I go live without internet, I feel is frustration.
Okay. Let's move on sharing. Did you share anything with others recently?
Yeah, obviously, a couple of days ago, I have shared my bike with my friend. My friend told me that giving my bike. So I shared my bike for a few days with my friend.
Okay. Did your parents teach you how to share with others?
Yeah, obviously, my parents taught me to sharing is caring. So when I was a child, they told me that twice share with my friends.
Okay. What kind of things do you like to share with others?
There are lots of things I share to others. But most of the time food and bicycle or bike I share to others.
Okay. What kind of things are not suitable for sharing with others?
There are a number of things don't suitable for others, like clothing, my mobile phone, and so on, because those are personal object.
Okay. Let's talk about morning routine. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yeah, obviously, I often get up very early every morning. So as a Muslim, so it is a very crucial for me for morning salah.
Okay. What do you usually do when you get up early in the morning?
Yeah, generally I do several kind of activities when I early get up in the morning, but especially I drink a cup of tea with the started morning.
Okay. Do you get up early on weekends?
No, I usually don't get up early in the weekends because weekends is all weekdays I'm busy with my study or purposes. But weekend is whenever I get weekend, it all days full free for me. That's why I usually don't get up early in weekends.
Okay. Which morning do you like the best in a week?
Especially, frankly speaking, on Sunday is best. Is best weekdays in my for me, because Sunday is my all family members and they are full free. So I stay I stay in home as well as I conversation with or as well as gossiping with them.
Okay, that is the end of your speaking part 1. Now we are moving on to the second part of the exam. Okay, so in the second part of the exam, I'm going to give you a cue card with a topic. You should talk 1 to 2 minutes about this topic. Before you talk, you have 1 minute for preparing yourself. What are you going to say, as well as you can make some notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Sir, I understand.
Okay, perfect. Here is your topic. Describe an occasion that you lost something in public. Along with the paper and pen. Your preparation time begins now. Okay, your 1 minute is over. You can start now. Don't worry if I stop you.
Well, losing something is truly painful because our emotions are often attached to it. As a conscious as well as a responsible person, so it is once of the blue moon for me to losing something. However, in my whole life, there are a few things I have lost, just a handful. Here I'd like to talk about a particular object that was deeply connected to my emotions, which was none other than my smartphone. As far as I vividly remember that it happened just before COVID-19 arrived. At that time, I was in class 9. Exactly on 10th February 2022, my elder sister's wedding held at our home. Being the eldest son in my family, so I had lots of responsibilities on my shoulders. I was welcoming guests, organizing things, managing everything. At one point, when I left my phone on guest room table, then I was busy with decorating purposes. After finishing my work, when I returned there, then I saw my mobile phone was missing. That time my sentiment was down to dumps. So I immediately started crying and began searching everywhere. Due to the crowded at my home, so I couldn't find it. So what was the most worried me that it contained many crucial documents for related to my studies. So I was deeply stressed at that time. Seeing that moment, my father comforted me and said, "Don't worry, Papa. Cry over the spilled milk. I will buy you another one." However, last but not least, I'm speaking from my heart. It was a memorable day in my life, as well as which I will never forget before my die.
Okay, thank you. May I have the booklet, paper, and pen? Thank you.